Hi there. In this video, I will show you how to hide your Instagram following and followers list. To start, open your Instagram app. In this video, I will be using my personal profile as an example. When I switch, this will be the visitor profile looking at your profile. As you can see, he can see my very own timeline, my followers, and my following list. Now, to limit a visitor's access, I will have to open settings. To do so, tap on the three lines on the upper right. Click Settings. Then tap on Privacy. Slide the Private Account button and click Switch to Private. You also have the option to review your followers. Tap on Restricted Accounts. Click Continue. Now search for the account that you are trying to restrict. Now click on Restrict. That personal profile will now be restricted in viewing your timeline if they do not follow you. As an example, I will now head on over to that example profile to view my personal profile. As I unfollow this personal profile with this example profile and then I click on refresh, anything on their screens including followers, following list, and timeline are now restricted. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and share.